Let's go over to number 2, how to groove a song. I will groove the song alongside. I will just put some passing notes here and there that you can learn. I will break it down. So let's go. How to groove a song. Okay, all right, 2 things to note. Number 1, the bouncing of the bass according to the drums. That is a key part and a very important role for a bassist. You work closely with the drum, especially with the kick. As a bassist or as a beginner, listen to your drummer. If you listen to the song closely, it was kick, Then number 2, playing on octaves, dragging your notes on octaves also creates a very, very nice groove. So, you have rescued my life. You have rescued, and I'll never go ever. All those stuffs creates a very strong passion in the song. It puts depth on the bass. Then number 3 is your tone. The tone. Your tone is not how hard you are striking. It's how clean your notes are coming and how strong the notes are hitting the board. So put your finger at a very good position. You strike from this angle, not from this angle. You can see the different sound it's giving. Look at it. Now listen again. You can see that this side is a bit cleaner. This particular point is for something else.